In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Excel. If you want to quickly capture part of your screen and place it directly into a worksheet, Excel has a built-in tool that makes the process simple. This is useful when you want to include a visual reference, save part of another window, or add supporting information without leaving Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook. Make sure you're in the workbook or worksheet where you want the screenshot to appear. It helps to have your worksheet ready first so you can insert the image exactly where you need it. Next, go to the Insert tab in Excel. This is where you'll find tools for adding different kinds of content into your worksheet, including pictures, shapes, and screenshots. In the Illustrations group, click Screenshots. When you open this menu, Excel will show you available windows that you can capture. If you want to insert a full image of one of those open windows, simply select it from the list and Excel will paste it directly into your worksheet. If you only need parts of the screen, choose Screen Clipping at the bottom of the screenshot menu. This option is especially helpful when you want to focus on a specific section rather than capture an entire window. Once you select Screen Clipping, your screen will briefly fade. That's your cue to click and drag over the area you want to capture. Try to be as precise as possible while dragging, so you only include the content you actually need. This can help keep your worksheet clean and easier to read. When you've selected the area, release the mouse button. Excel will automatically insert the clipped image into your worksheet. From there, you can move it, resize it, or position it wherever it fits best in your file. A helpful tip is to make sure the content you want to capture is already visible on your screen before you start the screenshot process. That way, you won't need to repeat the clipping step. It's also a good idea to leave a little extra space in your worksheet, especially if you plan to add more than one screenshot. And that's it. That's how to take a screenshot in Excel using the built-in screenshot and screen clipping tools. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and convenient way to add visuals directly into your spreadsheet.